Hi sa lahat ng cat lovers. So from this video is gagawa ko na isang mahabang journey from here sa sulok na ito sa paglaki at pag-develop ng isang kuting. Alam nyo ba, ang kuting ay nahaharap sa napakaraming hamon habang sila ay lumilipat mula sa marupok na bagong silang tungo sa matatag at hustong gulang. Hi guys, for week 0, so ito yung newborn baby, siya yung magiging modelo natin. So, as you can see, eyes closed, ears folded, ayun o, maliit pa yung tenga niya, and wala pang ngipin. So, if nakita nyo na open wide yung mouth niya, pinkish lahat. And the true newborn baby is meron pa siyang umbilical cord. Okay? So, ito, wag nyong gagalawin to, leave it as it is. Ako na yung nagputol nung umbilical cord niya para ma-remove sa placenta kasi hindi niya ata napansin. Sila talaga nagbo-born ng baby nila, but sometimes we need to supervise them and to give them assistance, okay? In this stage is they cannot regulate their own body temperature, so they need to kept in a warm place. So I will put them in the isolate box habang hinihintay pa natin yung iba niya pang kapatid. And this stage is gigising lang sila para kumain at magdumi. So, I will leave everything to the mother after he finish the labor. So guys, ito yung week 1. So, yung modelo natin, as you can see, na eyes closed pa rin siya. Yung tenga niya nakatiklop pa rin, pero yung ear canals niya nagsisimula na mag-develop slowly. And makikita nyo guys na yung umbilical cord niya wala na. Okay? Yung amoy ng tao still strange pa rin sa kanila, but they need to learn that this smell is belong to the family. So on this stage, kung mapapansin nyo yung belly niya, makikita nyo yung growth na lumaki talaga yung belly niya, saka yung head shape niya from week 0 to week 1. You can see their claws in week 1 is still non-retractable, kaya nakalabas pa rin siya lagi. And in this stage, they still have their favorite nibbles from their mother, kaya when you can see the CCTV, ayan, you can see na they always fighting for the nipples. Okay? So, ito siya ng week 1. Ngayon, check naman natin yung development and growth niya sa week 2. So, ayun guys, so, open na yung eyes niya. So, kitten eyes open from 8 to 12 days. Pero some kitten katulad nung sa kapatid niya, week 1 pa lang, halfway open na yung mga eyes. Open, pero hindi pa ito yung tunay nilang pupil. So, yung eyesight nila still poor, malabo pa rin. Lahat ng breed ng cats in this stage, blue eyes pa rin yung kulay ng mga mata nila. Hindi dahil sa pigmentation, kundi dahil sa wala pa rin sila nito. So, as they grow, dun palang lalabas yung tunay nilang pigmentation. So, this week, hindi na mahaba yung tulog nila compared to the last week, and nalagpasan na nila yung most vulnerable and dangerous week of their life. So, when we check the CCTV, as you can see in this week, nakakalakad na sila, pero patumba-tumba pa. So, hindi pa stable. Oh, maybe. And it's a great development na yung balahibo nila kumapal na. Oh, so ito na yung week 3. Okay? Yung modelo natin is malikot na and laging natakbo. So as you can see na yung ears nila nakatayo na. Ayan, nakakarinig na sila. Kaya kapag tinatawag ko sila sa pangalan nila, pumupunta sila sa akin kung nasaan yung voice and sounds. Inahabol nila. Mas naging bluish yung mga mata nila at nagmamature na rin yung paningin nila. Kaya so they can focus na rin sa isang object or sa surroundings nila, nakakapag-observe na sila. Malalaman nyo na 3 weeks old na yung kitten kapag mayroon na silang incisors. Nagsisimula nang magkaroon ng milk teeth. So hindi ko siya ipo-force na i-open your mouth niya kasi makulit siya. Ayaw niya nang inahawakan yung bibig niya. So para di umayak, photo na lang yung papakita ko sa inyo. So ayan yung evidence na 3 weeks old na yung kitten. Mayroon na siyang incisors. And this kitten, yung napili nating modelo is makulit. Lagi siyang natakbo. In this stage is mas gising sila. Mas interactive sila ngayon kasi nag-improve yung eyesights nila and yung hearing nila. Makulit. Makulit sila. Lagi silang nalundag. Lagi silang naghahanap ng kung ano-ano dito sa loob ng playpen nila. And they also can able to stand using their forepaws. And they start grooming themselves na rin. Kung walang mothers yung kitten, let the human assist them sa pag-groom by using toothbrush. So they can learn how to groom by themselves. And we can now introduce litter box sa kanila. So let their mama teach them on how to use it. Some people, they trying to weaning na ng kuting on this stage. But I highly not recommend. And I'm very no on this one because it's very deadly and very dangerous sa kitten on this age. I'm discouraging everyone na to start weaning na on this age kasi masyado pa siyang bata. Pag-weaning is you will start introducing na food. So as for now, still mother's milk. Kung walang mother, still the formulated milk. Pero don't start yet the weaning. So gagawa ko ng video on how to and when starting weaning a kitten. So in this age, wag muna. So tingnan natin yung week 4, kung ano yung pagbabago sa kanya. Okay? Yun, so guys, ito na yung week 4. Nasaan yung model natin? Si color blue. Ikaw ba? Yan na. Ito siya guys. Vision is improving and they can walk confidently na po. Ayan. Kita natin. So guys, ngipin nila continue to develop. Kumbaga sa week 3, yung incisors nila yung nag-develop at yung sumibol. Now, sa week 4, ang sumibol sa kanila is yung long teeth nila o yung tinatawag na canine teeth. Pero kahit emerging na yung canine teeth nila, hindi pa rin sila pwedeng kumain ng meat. Pero approaching na sila sa stage ng weaning. So, start playing stage na ito sa kitten. Nakikipag-away o wrestlingan na sila sa isa't isa. And they are using litter box na dapat sa week na ito. So, some are using and some still need to stimulate by their mother or ginagamitan pa namin ng tissue. Walang mother yung kitten nyo, you can use tissue for rubbing their genetical. They are more responsive sa sights at sounds and they don't rely na sa heating source. Ayan. So, here, look at their eyesight. So, pag tinignan mo sila, titingnan ka rin nila. Ayan, no? So, ayan. So, eto na siya, oh. Ayan. Ngayon, excited ako sa week 5 nila. So, check natin next week. Ayun guys, week number 5 na. So ngayon ako nag-start mag-video sa kanila kasi kanina sobrang himbing ng tulog nila and ayoko silang ma-disturb. So ang ginawa ko, hindi ko muna silang magising. So para makapag-video tayo na hindi ko sila naiistorbo sa mahimbing nilang tulog. Masarap yung pagkakatulog nila kasi pwede na silang mag-aircon in this stage. So the ambient temperature is 70 to 75 Fahrenheit. And yung development, ayun oh, hello baby. Yung development ng eyesight nila is almost finished na. So they can dilate na to lights. So let's see them. Yeah, malapitan. Ayan oh, crying na. Because they can respond na po. Okay, on this stage. And mas makulit nalo. And on this stage is mas interesado sila sa mga toys. Ayan, nalalaro na nila. Mas interactive na and nakakakit na rin sila kung saan man nila gustong umakyat. Ayan o, makikita nyo na umakit na rin sila. Sa teeth development nila, sa week na ito, yung premolars naman yung nagsisimulang sumibol. Kung napansin nyo nga is yung 4, sa week 4 is yung canine teeth, yung long teeth. Then yung sa week 3 nila is yung incisors. Ngayon is yung tinatawag na premolars. So, etong pagsibol ng premolars nito is, this is also symbolizing na pwede na silang pakainin ng wet food. So, bakit? Because these teeth are designed to cut and shredding meat. So, this is talaga the indication na ready na nga talaga sila na mag-start at pwedeng pagpapakilala sa wet food as pagkain. And the good point, pagkatapos nilang kumain, you can see that these guys are really good at grooming on themselves. So, ayan no, nakita nyo, ay pinahid lang eh no. Ganyan na sila mag-grooming. Hindi, didilaan nila. Ayan. Ganyan sila mag-grooming. And weaning is a sensitive time in a kitten's life and we should be handled with care. Okay? So they can go independently na sa litter box and we can introduce na rin ng water bowl. Ayan. So makikita nyo ang saya. Ayan. Eto si Blue. Ayan, na si Blue. Oh, kulit-kulit eh. Ayun guys, so sa video na ito, na-witness natin yung kung paano nag-evolve from tiny, helpless creature into mighty, independent kitten sila. Okay? So let's cherish every moment of their transformation from tiny to mighty kasi saglitan lang ang kitten stage. Months lang po, then adult na sila. And now for the feeding guide, as I promise, post nyo na lang yung video. So, ito, yung feeding guide ko. So, ito ay per week based on weight nila, ano yung amount per feeding and yung schedule ng pagpapakain sa kitten. So, post nyo na lang yung video. Eto sila! So, sa next video ko ay yung growth at development nila month by month. Of course, ang model pa rin natin is si Blue. Oh, kung meron kang storya ng kitten mo, we love to hear it from you in the comments below. So, wag niyong kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. So, until next time, thank you for watching!